Kia ora koutou e te whānau te umuariki me ngā mihi nui kia koe a ngā mihi o te tauhau a Pakeha nei a rā rua mano te kaumaiwa tihei mauri ora. Kia ora koutou. I'm sure I thanked everyone for last year, but here it is again. Thank you all so much for supporting our page, our public page, Kiimai Maori Aoitepö. And my translation of that isn't only speak Māori, it's more like just be yourself. Kiimai Māori 24/7, celebrate your absolute uniqueness. Guys, thank you all for all the mahi last year, all the support on that page, and also on our YouTube channel. Just putting it out there. You guys know that I never say subscribe and press that button, but my new thing now is Patua te Taniwha, and there's so many of them. One of them is smack that button, Patua te Taniwha, and all sorts of them. Patua te Taniwha or te whakamā, but our kaupapa at the moment that I'm here to tell you about is the Patua te Taniwha, our personal development online wānanga. And probably get a few of you out there saying, well, you can't have a wānanga. It's like, why not? Because the word to me says that, wānanga. He wā me te wāhi, mo te aho. A time and a place of learning. So I'm sure it's a free word. It's our word of our tipuna. Use it how you like. And I'd rather call it an online wānanga as opposed to a closed group, or what I've had to make it a secret group. But I think back in the day, our people, they would have gone to what was like a secret group. They'd go to specific wānanga, whare wānanga back in the old day, where they'd learn specific things. And that's what we're doing on here. We've created a space, an online digital wānanga, a digital home for you to come on and challenge yourself. And as I've said to some there, it's not kindergarten, even though I carry on and I've got those dog's ears on and all sorts of things. I do that to help Patua te Taniwha, to help dispel that thing and these things that you're not allowed to get it wrong, or you have to get it right all the time. Anyway, whānau, that's it. I've come on to say thank you and welcome you. We're looking at doing our new summer season intake, looking for about another 20 to 30 tauira to come on board with us before season 1 kicks off in February. We have about 3 weeks to go. If you think that's you, jump on board. The only thing I want to tell you is, once again, unlike this page, 3,500 people, I am so grateful to you all for liking, loving and commenting on this page over the last couple of years. But when you come to this wānanga, it's like any wānanga. Bring your A game. I have some weekly challenges, in-house challenges, plus we're stepping up for some personal development wānanga challenges as well. So there'll be free and fee-paying wero in there every week throughout the year, really. So if you think that's you and you'd like to jump into the wānanga, at the moment I've made it so secret, just like the old days, that I can't invite you in unless you comment here today, or private message me, and then we have a online link. Even though I've been getting people to do the email, some of the email addresses you give me and the names, well, I can't find you. So for now, until I can lessen the secrecy of this group, it's another 28 days. But if you want to jump on board now, comment today, Patua 2019-2019, and and if you're too shy to put your name down there for everyone to see it, message me, te umuariki. I'd love to see you in there. We have a few things coming up in the new year. One of them, a special thing I want to do a shout out for, another thing that I'm giving away. I've been putting a lot of work into it. It's so basic and so simple, but it's called the ABCs of Te Reo Māori. And I have another one coming out in the middle of the year. So over the next week or two, I'll be flat out. I've made all the content, all the written content for this, the ABCs, but I'll be making all the videos, and there'll be audios as well, and a written content. So watch out for that whānau when it comes out next week. I'll be putting out the list there. You will need to join the list to get the 4-week series. So the 4-week series will give you week 1, will be all based on a visual, kinesthetic, tactile learning, and a lot of our people need it, and learners of Te Reo Māori, not only tamariki, adults, workplaces, watch out for that. And it's a little bit like strumming my old guitar in my own exclusive way, and if it's a bit flat, it's always going to be flat. So the ABCs of the Te Reo Māori next week, sign up for it next week, and it'll be out in the first week of the new season. I reckon that's enough. It was supposed to be only a couple of minutes, but there's some other things coming up in the new year. Just quickly, the 3-in-1 mini-series, Sunday nights, 8 PM, Karakia Challenge, 10-week. Tuesday nights, the Kiimai 5, Māori language workout, and Thursday nights, 8 PM. What you will need for that is to get yourself onto a laptop and get onto the Zoom platform and join us there. How hard is that? Just come on and watch. Join in if you want to. But if you want to join the wānanga, I challenge you to come on and do some of our challenges with us. I like to see who can come on and do the first 5 challenges in the next 2 weeks. There's a challenge to you. I think that's about enough. That's about enough for now. It's taken 2 days. I wish you all the best for your journey. To me, it's not all about Te Reo Māori, it's about everything. Tihei Māori ora, putting the tihei back in your Māori ora, HAUORA, Kaiora. I know you saw me at McDonald's like we're human, but this is the Happy New Year, so I went and get a Happy Meal. I wish you all the best to you and your families for this year. Sending forth love, as I tell my crew in the wānanga. Love, like and comment. And don't be so shy to patua te Taniwha and share the love on our videos, on our posts. It's not that hard. And if someone else has commented, like it. If you don't want to, why do you even want to go there? And then comment. And as our people say, api mai, api atu, tātou e. E rongo whakairia ki ronga, kia tina, haumia huie, taiki e. Woo! See you out there. See you in the wānanga. You better join. I'll see you in there.